Good morning, this is David Marsh with eminitradingstrategies.com. Today is October 21st, 2010. Had another one and done today. We had jobless claims come out at 8:30. Definitely brought some volatility to the market. Our one and done could have been one of two trades. First, you see we have a normal system entry. A couple minutes after the opening bell, good for a nice 4-tick target, 4-tick one and done day. You also have the opportunity to take an early entry technique. Now that's what the early entry technique does, as I've stated on many videos, is it gets you into an NSE before the NSE happens. Of course, there's no guarantee the NSE is going to happen. That's why it's an aggressive trade and why we have less of a stop loss on it. But you could have jumped into the EET and made 4 ticks off of that, or when you saw the NSE triggered, you could have gone for the extra 4 ticks off the NSE. Normally on an EET, we get 2 to 4, 6 ticks better of an entry. In this case here, it was only 2 ticks better because the market kind of went back up and turned back around, but it was still good for a 6-tick trade. And then you can see we had another EET to the long side that was another nice winning trade. So nice one and done. We're done within 5 minutes, and I just want to show you a couple of no zone trades we had today. Let me pause for just a moment. Okay, we're back. As I stated, this was our one and done. We were finished for the day, but if you were to continue going, you may have potentially grabbed a pullback trade there. That would have been a losing trade. Now, on many videos I've told you that EETs and pullbacks, sometimes they can both win. 70% of the time they'll both win. Here's an example of that not being the case. If you were to take that long EET that I just showed, the second EET today, that was an obvious winner, came into no zone. If you'd have taken a pullback trade, you'd have lost on a trade. Fortunately, we're one and done traders when we get it, and that was it. But when we come into no zone, okay, the trade to take is typically the normal system entry coming out of no zone. That's a high probability trade. Now, the crux here is that you can also take a pullback trade. The risks of taking a pullback trade are that the pullback trade may not work out, or it may turn around and you miss the NSE because you went long. Now in this case, had you been filled on the pullback, it would have worked out, and then you could have still made the NSE to the short side and made your money again. So pretty nice trade there. And then we went back into no zone again. We had a report right around right here, and first trade out of no zone again was a beautiful NSE winner. So we had straight winners across the board. So if you're a trader trying to get more than 1 point a day, definitely had the opportunity today to do that within the first 30 minutes of the trading day. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.